Reeling though. Still a ways down there. He looks huge right there, eh?
Yeah.
Keep coming. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Okay, that's good. Eyes on the boat.
Beauty! Beauty! Ha ha!
Okay, come back. Gonna freeze. Yeah, watch that out. Put some line out there.
Okay.
Oh, the hooks are out. That was lucky. Okay, just take your rod over to the other
Okay.
side there.
Nice job, Kyle.
Hey, we're hanging out at 8 Mile there? Yeah, amongst all the weeds. Oh yeah, getting any love out there? Oh, we had one bite, that was it. Yeah, okay, Roger, we're sitting at 5 Mile here. Pretty much the same situation, a couple colorful things, and an undersized, and that's about her.
Oh, in the boat.
You're not anchored,
Okay, I'll
right?
get you. Walk.
No, we're just going to grab some Chinook.